AMP right now exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50, in a real sense, is as of now at $0.005 in an unobtrusive manner. AMP for the most part faces medium-term opposition at $0.006. AMP records truly descending development today, or so they in every practical sense thought. 02 July 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these habitually basically clarified some things, facts. What explicitly is extremely momentary cost expectation for AMP? Fundamentally is AMP a very wise interest in a by and large enormous manner. AMP support and obstruction levels and so on, showing how 02 July 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for the following week, and really attempt to answer these much of the time, especially got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What basically is transient cost expectation for AMP? For the most part is AMP a genuinely wise interest in an unpretentious manner? In any case, prior to jumping truly profound into the AMP specialized examination, sort of allowed us for the most part to discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in a huge manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,195,617,921,172. Showing how AMP at present exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 truly is right now at $0.005 in a truly significant manner. The especially absolute exchanging volume especially remains at $24,077,659,794, which by and large is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how 02 July 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and sincerely attempt to answer these habitually in every way that really matters. Sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What truly is for the most part momentary cost expectation for AMP? By and large is AMP a sort of wise interest in a kind of enormous manner, which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,513.42 level after a decay of 0.19%, which most certainly is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value decline of 0.51%, coming to $1,915.50 during the past 24 hours, or so they truly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84 following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time span in a very significant manner. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP especially, is up by 1.54 and presently exchanging at 48 cents in a for the most part huge manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they really thought. These occasions for the most part show that the market in a real sense is going in and in every way that really matters, descending bearing for sort of present moment, or so they truly thought. Right now, a genuinely broad quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how 02 July 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually essentially sought clarification on some things, facts. What by and large is momentary cost expectation for AMP? Generally is AMP an especially wise venture, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized markers used to sort of recognize essentially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they truly thought. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers by and large become sort of more certainly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84 following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time span, or so they sort of thought. Similarly, opposition basically is a level at which vendors for the most part move especially dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, fundamentally further appearance. how yet prior to plunging essentially profound into the AMP specialized examination, explicitly let us certainly discuss the sort of current economic situations, which sort of is very critical. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP by and large is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the especially beyond 24 hours, and fundamentally has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week in an extremely significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is 5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while especially absolute market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars, exhibiting that AMP record sort of descending development today. Or so they especially thought. There basically are practically 42,227,702,186 generally are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, which really is very huge. AMP value examination AMP cost investigation for 02 July 2023, insight and in every practical sense, day-to-day time span truly made sense of beneath. Or so they basically thought. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEXRSI, moving pretty normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including extremely straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving commonly normal, EMA, to fundamentally break down the future development of the AMP, which especially is very critical. While AMP's Williams %R marker in every practical sense is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange sort of sign explicitly is somewhat conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how we utilize sort of relative strength INDEXRSI, moving commonly normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including all things considered, straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving truly normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the AMP, or so they truly thought. The MACD line sort of is remaining beneath of the for the most part signal line after a hybrid, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which certainly is genuinely huge. AMP financial backers need to explicitly sit tight for any directional change over the kind of day-to-day diagram. Sort of additional appearance how similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which vendors really become move essentially dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher in every practical sense. Further appearance how yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the AMP specialized examination.